Okay, so in this talk about Torah, I just want to talk a little bit about why people are protesting against Trump. And those who are protesting are not really talking about, they don't talk about the reason why they hate Trump. They don't talk about the reason why they are protesting against Trump. Again, I don't vote. I do not vote. I don't believe in the modern day government system. I don't believe in the Gentile government. I don't believe in the way that, I don't believe in democracy. I don't believe in democracy. I don't believe in all that crap, nonsense crap that the Gentiles are doing and they're calling, their presidency and their government. I don't believe in any of that. They're all nonsense to me. Their constitution, if I see their constitution, I will use it to wipe my ass. Their constitution means nothing to me. I don't believe in government. I don't believe in politics. I don't believe in politicians. I don't vote. So I don't vote. This is not a video to promote Trump. This is not a pro-Trump video. But I'm watching the whole thing going on, and I see the reason why they are protesting against Trump. The reason why they are protesting against him is because of their Supreme Court, because they have no other option. The people who are protesting Trump are homosexuals. They are homosexual. Majority of them are homosexuals, and they have run out of option. The reason why they supported Hillary Clinton is because she was going to continue where Obama left off. You know that Obama was the one that really elevated the gay marriage thing. Obama is the one that really opened up the Pandora box on sodomy. Obama is the worst president in the history of America. Obama was the worst president in the history of America. He was worse than the Gentile white people. He was the worst president because he did things that other president has never done in terms of homosexuality. So as his time was about to be up, the Sodomites, the gay people, Sodomites, the filthy, disgusting homosexuals, they saw Clinton as she was willing to continue from where Obama left off. Okay, that was why they are supporting Clinton. That's why the Sodomites are supporting Clinton, because she was going to continue from where Obama left off and continue, and pretty much it was going to come to a point that if you even say anything against them, you might even be locked up. So they were hoping that Clinton was going to win so that she can continue from where Obama left off. Unfortunately, they were badly defeated. On November 8th, they were defeated. So they had no other option but to protest. So they are hoping that somehow, something will happen. But the reason why they are protesting is because of the Supreme Court. Because there is opening in the Supreme Court in the United States right now. There was one Supreme Court judge. By the way, I hate the Supreme Court people. I think it's a joke too. The Supreme Court system in America and the Supreme Court system in any other country, I don't believe in that crap. I think it's a joke. I hope that the government of the Gentiles will collapse. I literally hope that the American government will collapse. I hope that the government in my own country will collapse. I hope that I can't wait for all this government to collapse. I want them to collapse because the government that we should be looking forward to is the government that was supposed to be established by Christ. If you read in the book of Daniel and in many other places, it talks about Christ establishing his government, and it will last forever. So if you are a truly a follower of Christ, if you are a true follower of Yeshua, you should be looking forward to the destruction of this Gentile government, because you can have two captains in the same boat. You can't have two captains in the same ship. Okay? So as long as the Gentiles, the white people, the Gentiles, as long as they are in charge, Christ's kingdom cannot be here while their own kingdom is here. That's why their kingdom is going to be destroyed. If you read in Daniel chapter 2, all this kingdom will be destroyed, and the kingdom of Christ will be established. If you read in Daniel chapter 7, the kingdom of Christ will be established. That is the reason why I hate and I despise the government system that is currently available in the world right now. I hate it. I don't like it. I hope it collapses, because I'm looking forward to the kingdom of Christ. So there is opening in the Supreme Court in the US. And in this opening, there was a so-called justice that died. So there was opening. And when Obama, the filthy, disgusting Obama, the Sodomite Obama, when he I call him Sodomite because he is advancing the agenda of the Sodomites. So when he tried to fill that seat, the Republicans in the House and in the Senate, they said, no, we're not going to let you do that. We're going to wait till the next president. So that was what the Republicans did. They refused to confirm the person that Obama nominated to fill the vacant seat. So Obama could not do anything. So that's why the Sodomites, the so-called gay people, the filthy, disgusting gay people, they were looking forward that Clinton was going to come in, and that she was going to put somebody in the seat, to fill that seat. And some of the men, that the so-called justices in the Supreme Court, some of those so-called people over there that are called the judges, many of them are old, because when you are in that seat, you're there for life. So usually they die, so many of them are old. So the Sodomites were looking forward to Obama, to Clinton coming in and filling in that seat. But when she lost, they got really, really, really pissed off. And that's why they are protesting in the street. And this is very important, because the reason why I'm really presenting this is because most people who are also protesting have no idea about this. They don't know the reason why there is so much uproar. And you see, the Sodomites, the so-called disgusting, filthy gay people, the Sodomites are so tricky. They're not going to come out and tell you that the reason why they are protesting Trump is because of so-called gay marriage. They're not going to tell you that, but they call him racist. They call him homophobic. They call him anti-Semitic. They call him Hitler. They call him all kinds of names, but they won't tell you the reason why they are really protesting him. Trump was not a racist. Trump is not a racist. Trump is not a sexist. Trump is none of those things. Again, I do not support Trump. I don't support any politician. Okay? So, Trump was not a racist, but they call him all these names. And really, to hide their motive is because they lost Hillary Clinton, who was going to put somebody in the Supreme Court that will continue to advance the agenda of the Sodomites. That's the reason why this protest is happening. That's the reason why you watch it. It's happening in California. It's happening in Canada. It's happening in all over, in New York. But the people who are protesting, they are protesting because they are really, really, really mad. They are mad. Not because Trump is a racist. No, they are lying. They are protesting and they are damaging and destroying stuff and beating up people because of gay or sodomy lifestyle. Because of the Supreme Court. That's the reason why they are protesting, because they are disappointed that Clinton was not able to come in and continue filling up the Supreme Court with Sodomites and continue advancing the agenda of the Sodomites. And this is to show you how disgusting and how filthy these people are. They don't care about the history of Hillary Clinton. They did not care. They did not care. They didn't care about the fact that she represented a child rapist in the 1970s. One of the first cases that she represented was a child rapist, and Clinton was able to pretty much keep that man out of jail. These people did not care about that. These people did not care about the fact that Clinton was going to start war with Russia. Now, starting war with Russia means the end of America, because a war between America and Russia will destroy America. There's no doubt about that, because Russia is much advanced militarily, in terms of military, in terms of military might. America is all about talk. They talk about being superpower. But in terms of military, in terms of military power, Russia is much more advanced. So if a war breaks out between Russia and America, Russia would definitely destroy America for sure. So you have a woman, Hillary Clinton was basically calling for war between America and Russia. And these disgusting, filthy Sodomites, these filthy gay people, they didn't care about that. All they care is about vagina and dicks. That's all they care. Vagina and penises. That's all they care. They did not mind putting a warmonger in the White House. The filthy, disgusting Sodomite did not mind putting a war criminal that destroyed Libya. She is a war criminal. Clinton was a war criminal. This filthy, disgusting Sodomite did not mind putting her in the White House. Most African Americans, so-called African Americans, most of them that are in prison today was as a result of Bill Clinton and Hillary Clinton. That was when she called the so-called African Americans, she called them super predators. So you have all these Sodomites. They did not mind putting this wicked woman into office. They didn't mind doing that as long as she's going to advance their Sodomite agenda. Man, this is sick. This is disgusting. They did not mind putting a war criminal. They did not mind putting this woman who is responsible for bloodshed in Libya, bloodshed in many places. They did not mind that as long as she's going to advance their agenda. It's sick. It's a very sick situation. So that's the reason why people are protesting Trump, because of the Supreme Court, because of the things that she's going to be doing. Also abortion, same thing with abortion, because Roe versus Wade, all the laws about abortion, the Planned Parenthood, and all those crap, Trump is going to be undoing some of these things. That's why people are mad and they are on the street and protesting. But they're not going to tell you the reason why they are protesting. They are protesting because of gay marriage and because of abortion. Because people want to retain the right to be able to kill their babies. People want to retain the right to be able to commit sodomy with other men and women. That's why they are protesting Trump. But don't forget Revelation chapter 18, because all these things is the reason why America is going to be destroyed. If you read Revelation chapter 18, you will see that America is going to be destroyed because of all this filthy, disgusting behavior. America is the nation that was described in Revelation chapter 18. America is also one of the nation that descended out of. If you read Revelation chapter 13, you see that America is one of the offspring of that Roman Empire that was described in Revelation chapter 13, and in many other places. Also in Zechariah chapter 2 verse 7, it says, "Deliver thyself from the daughter of Babylon." So America is the nation that was described in Revelation chapter 18. And if you happen to live in America and you're watching this video, this presentation, I advise you to get out of America, because America will be destroyed. Her time is up. The times of the Gentiles are up. They are going to be destroyed. America is going to be destroyed. So if you live in America, you need to get out of America. You need to get out. You have to get out of America. Has seen is too much. Did you know that America is the only nation that has ever dropped a nuclear bomb on another nation? Twice, the Americans dropped bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So twice, and they killed many people. They killed many people. America have shed many innocent blood. America slaughtered the Native Americans, the Indians, the Native Indians, the Native Americans. America destroyed them. America killed many people in Libya. Many people in Libya. America killed many people in Panama. Many people in Iraq. I can list and go on and on. America is a filthy, disgusting nation. America is a filthy, disgusting nation. And that's the reason why America is going to be destroyed. America will be destroyed. Read Revelation chapter 18 and you will see for yourself. So that is the talk, my talk about Torah. You know, I love talking about Torah because our Heavenly Father tells us in Deuteronomy chapter 6 to talk about it all the time. You know, to talk about the Torah in our bed, when we walk on the street, in our houses, to talk about the Torah all the time. I love talking about this book. I love talking about it. So that's the reason why I decided to start doing this presentation and talk about these things and share them with you. So if you have anything, if you have any question or anything, there are, you can look on my channel and see my phone number that you can use to reach me. I also have other videos in my YouTube channel that can give you more information about keeping the Sabbath and about keeping all kinds of, all those things that our Heavenly Father wants us to do. So that's my talk about Torah. Until next time, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.